Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to share Spotify lyrics to Snapgram or Instagram story. Okay, before going to the tutorial, please click subscribe button and you can also click notification bell so you can get me more videos update. Okay, as an example here, I'm going to share this song lyrics, and you can find lyrics by swipe up and then click share icon in the bottom right corner, and then just click the lyrics. We can choose a maximum 5 lines of lyrics, for example 1 2 3 4 5, and then click share in the bottom. So click Instagram stories, and you can also share to your Facebook account. Click Instagram stories and will direct to our Instagram account. So just do it like we want to post a story. So that's how to share Spotify lyrics to Snapgram. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe, and you can click thanks button for appreciate.